Lions and tigers, two of the most majestic and powerful big cats, evoke awe and fascination in the human imagination. They occupy a prominent place in various cultures, often symbolizing strength, courage, and royalty. However, despite their shared lineage and physical similarities, these two species exhibit strikingly different social behaviors. Lions live in prides, while tigers are solitary creatures. The reasons for these contrasting lifestyles can be traced back to their evolutionary history, ecological needs, social structures, and reproductive strategies. To understand why lions form prides, one must first consider their evolutionary background. Lions are primarily found in the savannas and grasslands of Africa, where the environment presents both opportunities and challenges. The open terrain allows for visibility, which is crucial for hunting and avoiding predators. In this context, living in groups provides significant advantages. A pride, typically consisting of several related females, their offspring, and a coalition of males, enhances the chances of survival for both the adults and the young. The cooperative hunting strategy employed by lions allows them to take down larger prey, such as wildebeests and zebras, which would be difficult for a solitary hunter like a tiger to manage alone. The social structure of a lion pride is complex and dynamic. Female lions, or lionesses, are the primary hunters and play a vital role in the pride's sustenance. They often work together to stalk and ambush their prey, utilizing their numbers to increase their success rate. This cooperative behavior not only improves their hunting efficiency, but also ensures that the pride can support a larger number of individuals than a solitary tiger could manage. When hunting in groups, lionesses can take turns in the chase, allowing them to conserve energy and maintain their strength for future hunts. This cooperative strategy is essential in the harsh environments of the savanna, where food can be scarce and competition with other predators is fierce. In addition to hunting, living in a pride provides social benefits. Lionesses develop strong bonds with one another, often grooming and playing together, which fosters cooperation and reduces stress. These social ties are crucial for raising cubs, as lionesses often nurse and care for each other's young, ensuring a higher survival rate for the cubs. The presence of adult males in the pride, although often temporary, also plays a critical role in protecting the pride from rival males and other threats. Males defend their territory and the pride from intruders, ensuring that their genes are passed on through the cubs. This intricate balance of cooperation and protection is a testament to the evolutionary advantages of living in a pride. In contrast, tigers have evolved in different environments, primarily the dense forests and jungles of Asia. Their solitary nature can be attributed to several factors, including their hunting strategies and territorial behaviors. Unlike lions, tigers are ambush predators, relying on stealth and camouflage to stalk their prey. Their hunting technique requires them to be solitary, as they depend on the element of surprise to take down animals like deer, wild boar, and even larger prey such as water buffalo. The solitary lifestyle allows tigers to cover vast territories in search of food, which is essential in environments where prey is dispersed and not easily found in large numbers. Territoriality is another crucial factor influencing the solitary behavior of tigers. Each tiger maintains a large territory that it marks and defends against intruders. This territory can span hundreds of square kilometers, depending on the availability of prey and habitat quality. The solitary nature of tigers allows them to be more efficient in managing their territories, as the presence of other tigers would lead to competition for resources. In this context, being solitary is an evolutionary advantage, as it reduces conflict and increases the likelihood of survival. The reproductive strategies of lions and tigers further illustrate the differences in their social structures. Lionesses typically mate with a coalition of males, ensuring genetic diversity within the pride. The presence of multiple males can also help protect the pride from rival males, who may attempt to take over and kill existing cubs to bring the females back into estrus. This social structure allows for a relatively stable breeding environment, where the cubs are raised collectively and have a better chance of survival. In contrast, tigers are generally solitary during mating, with females attracting males only when they are in estrus. After mating, the female raises the cubs alone, providing them with the skills necessary to survive in a solitary environment. This solitary upbringing is essential, as it prepares the cubs to live independently once they reach maturity. The female tiger invests significant time and energy into raising her young, teaching them to hunt and survive in their territory. This solitary rearing method is effective in environments where resources are limited and competition is high. The differences in social structure between lions and tigers also reflect their adaptability to their respective environments. Lions thrive in open habitats where group living provides advantages in hunting and protection. Their social behavior has evolved to maximize their chances of survival in the face of competition and environmental challenges. On the other hand, tigers have adapted to solitary living, which allows them to be more efficient hunters in their dense forest habitats. Their ability to navigate complex terrains and rely on stealth makes them formidable predators without the need for social cooperation. In recent years, human activities have further influenced the social dynamics of both species. Habitat destruction, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict have put significant pressure on both lion and tiger populations. In areas where their habitats overlap with human settlements, both species face challenges that threaten their survival. For lions, the loss of territory can lead to smaller prides and increased competition for resources. In contrast, tigers may find their territories fragmented, leading to increased competition and difficulties in finding mates. These changes in their environments can impact their social structures, potentially forcing them to adapt in ways that deviate from their traditional behaviors. Conservation efforts for both lions and tigers recognize the importance of understanding their social structures and behaviors. Protecting their habitats and ensuring the availability of prey is crucial for maintaining healthy populations. For lions, conservation strategies often focus on preserving large areas of savanna and grassland to support pride dynamics. In contrast, tiger conservation efforts prioritize the protection of forest habitats and corridors that allow for safe movement between territories. In summary, the contrasting social behaviors of lions and tigers can be attributed to their evolutionary histories, ecological needs, and reproductive strategies. Lions thrive in prides, benefiting from cooperative hunting and social bonds that enhance their survival in open habitats. Tigers, on the other hand, have adapted to a solitary lifestyle that allows them to be efficient hunters in dense forests, relying on territoriality and individual skills. Understanding these differences not only enriches our knowledge of these magnificent creatures, but also underscores the importance of conservation efforts aimed at preserving their unique lifestyles and habitats. As we continue to learn about these big cats, we gain a deeper appreciation for their roles in the ecosystems they inhabit and the need to protect their future in a rapidly changing world.